Hey guys! In today's video I am going on a trip to a waterfall that I've been wanting to go to for a very long time, and I'm going to bring you guys with me. So I am taking my Shimoda bag and I'm going to take my 70-200 RF lens with me, my adapter so I can use my EF lenses on the R6, and I'm going to use my 6D Mark II with the 35mm 1.4. I've also made myself lunch, half a burger that I didn't eat yesterday that I'm going to bring. And it's an unwritten rule, but in Norway, if you go on a trip, quick lunch. So I've just packed my things in my car and I'm ready to start driving to the location. So I just dropped off some stuff to my dad's and I'm going to go ahead and drive. I'm a little bit excited as if I'm going to get where I'm going, to the waterfall, because it's been frost in the morning and the waterfall is on the mountain. But I've started driving and I know where to go if I have to turn around and go back. So yeah, we'll see if I get there. So I just arrived to the parking lot. It was an uncomfortable drive just because it's a smaller road. I've never driven here before, so I needed to concentrate a lot, but I'm finally at the parking lot. As you can see, over there is the river from the waterfall. So I'm going to go over the bridge and I'm going to continue over and up there. It's a short hike, but it's heavy and I can see it now. I kind of don't want to look at it until I'm there, just because I want it to be a surprise. I can hear it. I've seen the top of it. I can see it very badly through the lens, but it's right there and I'm just walking like this because I don't want to see it until I'm close enough. Oh. Okay, if I walk down here, it's right there, but I haven't seen it yet. Okay, this is the whoa! Oh. Hit the subscribe button, remember to give this video a like, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!